ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Uba Lahkmen Rymbui, ubadayu MLA bat unoy lam jaka United Democratic Party, ula ong ba kanu seng sang perthai, kadan ka hok bantau ketem ha kanu benta jaka jala Meghalaya, namar bakari India kadekari sensyar pajpak. Uba Lahkmen lo penpaw kini hadian baka Trinamool Congress, kalayok pesut klik hapok kini ke jala, da ka jinglet penyeso jong ki khat arngut ki MLA ka seng Congress. Bat ki khatwingut ki MDC na Garo Hills Autonomous District Council na Rilum Garo Dangshan. Ula ongru baka Jingeh opusot jong ka Trinamool Congress kan ombu jingmai ARUM ya ka United Democratic Party ha ka Elekshon jong ka yeng darbar thawan ka ban salong house nam arajar arpulai.
See, India is a democratic country. All the party have the right to set their base or to set their candidate or to form a branch of the party anywhere in the state of Meghalaya. The issue is not for the UDP. The issue is that whether the people of Meghalaya accepted it or not. We from the UDP, we are not taking anything as a threat. We have to work on our strength. Our strength is that the people have seen time and again that the different party, they have given different commitment, but we also many time people, they thought that we cannot do anything. But the thing is that until and unless we have a mandate where we could voice, but the voice of the majority will prevail, it is very, very difficult. But I think that all this development in the state will be advantageous to the UDP as a party. So I hope that in the next election that many constituency the UDP will do better and many UDP legislator will be there in assembly. You see, TMC comes out of the split of the Congress party. So this split of the Congress party, first and foremost, it will affect, as we have seen, it's already affected the base of the Congress. So for the future, whether it can split the vote of regional party or other party in Garo Hills, that I cannot say right now. But nothing can be taken lightly in politics. There is everything is possible. All things that every party, every candidate have to work on his own strength, and every party have to work on its own strength so that the people will elect it.